Local news for Friday the 19th of June. Wairarapa police investigating the hit and run of James August in Carterton last month have located a vehicle and made an arrest. A 67-year-old local woman has been charged and will be appearing in the Masterton District Court on the 25th of June and charged with failing to stop or ascertain injury after a crash. Adding that extra room to your property can add huge value, especially if you live in Wairarapa. The Wairarapa region saw the biggest increase, with an extra room almost doubling the average asking price in May. Spokesperson for realestate.co.nz, Vanessa Taylor, says in May, average asking prices in the region increased from $552,755 for a three-bedroom house to over $1 million for a four-bedroom. And the Masterton District Council is determined to minimise dog owners who pay more than they need to for dog registration this year. This year, all registrations paid by 31 July will go in the draw to win one of six refunded registration fees for a single dog. There'll be 6 prize packs of dog and human goodies in the draw for fees paid by 30 June. And finally, in Interleague Football, the Wairarapa men are at home on Sunday to Wellington Olympic, while tomorrow it's the women hosting North Wellington at 11 a.m. Kia ora for local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.